Are you struggling to keep up with your studies? Do you find it hard to focus and retain information? Don't worry. We're here to share with you 10 essential tips for effective study sessions that will help you improve your academic performance. So, let's divine. 1. Create a conducive. Make sure you have enough seating arrangements to avoid distractions and maintain focus. 2. As well as breaks to avoid burnout. Following a structured routine will help you maintain consistency and improve time management. 3. Organize your study materials. Keep your notes, textbooks, and other resources organized. Use highlighters, sticky notes, or folders to keep track of different topics and assignments. This will make it easier to access information and reduce stress. Ideas and concepts. Practice active reading and summarizing to improve your ability to retain information. 5. Use mnemonistivices. Create more aids such as acronyms, rhymes, or visual associations to help you remember important terms and concepts more easily. 6. Practice active learning. Engage in active learning by summarizing, questioning, and explaining concepts to reinforce your understanding and improve retention. 7. Utilize multiple study methods, combining different study techniques, such as summarizing information through flashcards, teaching concepts to someone else, or teaching notes to a friend can help you deepen your understanding. 8. Stay consistent and realistic. Establish study sessions regularly and stick to them. Set achievable goals and reward yourself for completing tasks. Remember, consistency is key. 9. Balance work and leisure. Allow yourself time for relaxation and enjoyable activities. A well-balanced lifestyle is essential for maintaining focus and motivation. 10. Seek help when needed. If you are struggling with a concept or assignment, don't hesitate to seek help from your teacher, tutor, or classmates. Collaboration and support can make learning more enjoyable and effective. Conclusion: by following these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a study routine that helps you achieve academic success. Remember, the key to effective studying is maintaining consistency, organization, and a positive mindset. Good luck and happy studying. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a videos.